Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Data Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore price change distribution. Okay, so an trader in a future and option segment is the beneficial owner of the tickers one has bought. Okay, so expand this further, and it means that the ownership of the future and options is collectively in the hands of all the investor at any point in time. At the same time, the traders can sell their script or tickers and new traders can buy. Thus, periodically, the ownership could also change. In such a case, it becomes very important that any trader in the future and option segment gets a fair price for one's trading. In order to ensure such fair treatment to all traders, we used to get this price change distribution offered by various broker. Okay, so especially Delta Exchange is offering this price change distribution, so you can get these things. The Delta Exchange API, the API are required to compute and carry out evaluation of traders made by its future and option segment in accordance with the trading valuation norms specified in the API. The primary objective behind the introduction of this price change distribution was to ensure fair treatment to all traders, including existing traders as well as traders seeking to purchase or redeem units, or we can say tickers or script of future and option segment at all points of time. At the same time, the price change distribution also address the mispricing risk and reduce the short term pressure. So you can check from here. Uh, in this, I've tried, and from api.india.data exchange, the base URL and the tickers which I got. Okay, so if you try to access the tickers, some of already the values will be available, so which you can check from your side. So that will be helpful. Now what happens is, suppose I need to get with this symbol, and this change is M24C, means whether I can get for the March in 24 hours, or we can say M24C. So it depends. So I just try to take this mark price, then close. Okay, so I just because sometimes the API get changed, so we need to say whether we has to get this or that. So somewhere we need to find and get the symbol, mark price, and change of 24 hours. Okay, so we need to append this advanced decliners, and even I tried to get with the unchanged, whatever the unchanged is there, and I finally this total them as an advanced decliners unchanged and the contacts which I got. Okay, so especially this I tried to get a kind of like visualization where just try to get with the red block, and in between the white and the green. Okay, so positive, negative, and between the neutrals. Okay, so we try to get these things. So advances in the sense bias, we can say are active, and decliners we can say that sellers are active, and in between I try to get with the losers and the gainers. Okay, so I try to fetch all those stuff. Okay, so if I get this stuff as of right now, previously I just run this, and what I got the total contacts at 1088 and advances as 400 and declines as 684. So if you run this stuff, so from this you can check that
as a red and green. How many advances are there? How many declines are there? So declines are as of right now is more. Okay, so 684. Advances are less. So you can see in the market there is a definitely a sell side is there. So that is how you can do. And in between, what are the gainers are there and losers are there, which you can check. And from that, what you can do, you can just try to get with option selling or buying, whichever you try to find these things. Okay, so from gainers you can check, from losers you can check. So whichever you feel the best, you try to go with these things. Okay, so strike price and the script, especially the current date, whichever it is going as of right now, whether it is 14, 13. Okay, so whatever we got Venus and user, we all get these things. Okay, so that is how we can check. So all of the data, whichever you see in your app or website, will be definitely available in the API. So try to find these things. So I just run these things in front of yours and show how these things are working. Okay, so as you can see, things have been changed as of right now, but still the decliners, I mean the sellers are more than buyers. Okay, so that is how we get to know. Especially we can't say as a buyers or sellers or something like that. But more advancement, we can say the stickers as of right now, the all of the crypto assets are on this side, whether it's sell side or buy side, with the help of a price change distribution. Okay, so I will get you this code which you can try and can check, and it will be very much helpful. So just see this stuff from your side, and thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. If you have any customization trading requirement, you can do contact me. And say suppose self-hosting your laptop or desktop with static IP, if you are looking for that reason also you can contact me. And if you want to learn for everything, I am available in WhatsApp. So please do contact. Thank you.